This is the first of a number of Explain Everythings relating to unfamiliar text at Level 1. The first thing to be aware of course, is the marking schedule. Achieved, you need to identify and explain to a small degree. Merit, you need to identify techniques and explain in detail. I've written down some of the starters that you might use, such as this shows. That'll help you get a start off on explaining in detail. To get excellence, you need to appreciate. Why did the author use this technique? Why did the author write this poem? Or why did the writer write this particular story? What are they hoping to show? And here you need to pick up and identify a theme or some sort of character development that occurs in the piece and say why it's worthwhile reading. You appreciate the skill that the author has put in to the work. So think about the way that you can use the author's name in your answer, or you can respond personally to the piece. That'll help you get to excellence. It's not that simple though. You actually have to read 3 pieces of writing. You read a poem, you read a fictional story, and you read a non-fiction piece of writing. The non-fiction may be an article from a magazine, it may be a transcript of a speech. The fiction may be part of a short story, and the poem, well, that's self-explanatory. Each of these pieces are marked out of 8 marks. To get excellence, you need to show across all 3 pieces that you can appreciate their worth. If you score between 19 and 24, you get excellence. If you score between 13 and 18, you get merit. And if you score between 8 and 12 out of 24, then you receive achieved. Now obviously, if you do really well in one piece and say score 7 out of 8, it makes your job a little bit easier. Let's say you get 7 for one piece, but only 3 for the other 2. Now add that up. 7 and 3 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Okay, 13 out of 24 puts you into the low merit category. So you see how you've got to be consistent across all 3 pieces to get into the excellence category. Good luck with that.